Welding is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves joining two or more pieces of metal or thermoplastics together using heat and pressure. This process is essential in the production of various products, including automobiles, aircraft, ships, and construction materials. Welding is a complex process that requires skilled professionals who can operate welding equipment and understand the properties of different metals and thermoplastics. There are several types of welding techniques used in the manufacturing industry, including MIG, metal inert gas, welding, TIG, tungsten inert gas, welding, and stick welding. MIG welding is the most common type of welding used in the manufacturing industry, and it involves using a wire electrode to create an electric arc that melts and fuses the metal together. TIG welding, on the other hand, uses a tungsten electrode to create an electric arc that melts the metal, and a separate filler material is used to join the pieces together. Stick welding is a manual process that involves using a stick electrode to create an electric arc that melts the metal and fuses it together. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal and plastic products. The company offers a wide range of services, including welding, machining, and fabrication. Berkness Company has a team of skilled professionals who are experienced in various welding techniques, including MIG, TIG, and stick welding. The company uses state-of-the-art welding equipment and techniques to ensure that all products are of the highest quality. If you are interested in learning more about welding and how it relates to Berkness Company, you can visit the company's Contact Us page on their website. The page provides various ways to get in touch with the company, including phone, email, and a contact form. You can also visit the company's website to learn more about their services and products. Berkness Company is committed to providing high-quality products and services to their customers, and they are always happy to answer any questions you may have about welding or any other service they offer. FAQs. 1. What are the different types of welding processes used in manufacturing? Answer. There are several types of welding processes used in manufacturing, including MIG, metal inert gas, welding, TIG, tungsten inert gas, welding, stick welding, flux cord welding, and plasma arc welding. Each process has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of process depends on the specific application and materials being welded. 2. What are the safety precautions that need to be taken during welding? Answer. Welding can be a hazardous process, and it is important to take proper safety precautions to prevent accidents and injuries. Some of the safety measures that need to be taken during welding include wearing protective clothing and equipment, ensuring proper ventilation, using welding screens to protect others from the bright light, and following proper welding procedures. 3. What are the common defects that can occur during welding? Answer. Welding defects can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as improper welding technique, poor quality materials, or inadequate preparation of the welding surface. Some of the common welding defects include porosity, cracking, incomplete fusion, and distortion. These defects can affect the strength and durability of the weld, and it is important to identify and correct them to ensure the quality of the finished product. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.